Hi and welcome back to this channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to show you how to use your referral code on Temu. So first of all, what you need to do is to simply launch your Temu app on your phone, and then when you get into the app, you will see on the bottom center of your screen, you'll see this section that says you right here, and you just simply need to click on it. And then when you go to this part, you will find a coupons and offers section, and then click on that. And in this section, you will see enter coupon code section, and you can apply any coupon code or any referral code that you have. And what you can do is to simply enter your coupon in here and then click the apply button. And as simple as that, you can use any coupon that you have, and you can also use it for the future. So that is all for this video, and I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell button so you won't miss any video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great rest of the day. Bye bye.